I've seen accidents where, like I said, the brakes weren't even touched because the person was distracted. They looked away for maybe that 1 or 2 seconds, and they hit a vehicle, 60, 70 miles an hour. I've seen, severed arms. People, unfortunately not wearing their seatbelts go through the windshield. So people get sent to the hospital over a few seconds of distracted driving. Nowadays, it's like every car has a computer, and there's people punching stuff in, like GPS or radio stations, or satellite radio, what have you. People are more distracted today more than ever, and I feel like the pulsing of the center light can, if they are distracted, bring them back much quicker and catch their eye. Like I said, from personal experience, I've seen it, and it definitely helps.